Welcome. Welcome to the live session from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Hello, traders. Hope that you had it. We're starting with a great trading day. So we can see that after yesterday's long session, the market has made significant movement at the moment, waiting for another setup. As you can see, early today, we have seen there is a significant movement we have seen on gold, and from this level, okay, this is a pretty strong drop here on gold so far on the daily. If you look at the weekly chart, we can see that from this level there is a significant rejection on the weekly. Looking at the monthly also, you can see that there is a rejection as well on the monthly perspective. So from the lower time frame and looking at the higher time frame, we can see that it's pretty strong price action. And if we look at a 15-minute chart and the lower time frame on gold, we can see that after forming double top from here, we have seen there is a breakdown as expected of the support level. So if you look at the daily chart, we can see that from this level here up, it managed to break that. Now because it's almost at the end of the month, we might see that gold breaking to the support level. We have seen a couple of other pairs such as Gbpusd, dollar yen, and euro dollar. So basically euro dollar, another pair that we will be also looking at today, because there is a high impact news tomorrow on euro, and we can see this instrument also trending very nicely. We will be looking at that one as well. So let me know, traders, when you are here. We can start. Let me know when you are here so we can do the full analysis. Thank you. And yeah, before I begin the full traders, I would appreciate if you smash the like button. Andy, welcome, first day. First one here today, thank you. Nishad, hi all, AUD and ZD, what's your analysis? February will be looking at that. Good morning, everyone. Good evening. Rose, greeting from Netherlands. Welcome, thank you. Ibrahim, good day. Vibrate, welcome. Rich, good morning, afternoon. We are here. I'm here active. Good day. So let's look at some of the pairs, especially you can see Gbpusd a little bit choppy today. I would rather mostly focus on gold and euro dollar. Euro dollar is in a downtrend. Now if you look at here, what we can see that this is an important level of support on euro dollar, and this is the 1 hour price action on euro dollar also, and we can see that this is a downtrend, very strong downtrend on euro dollar. And with this downtrend, what we can expect on euro dollar for the market to come down and then to create a new lower low potentially, we can see that it's also there is a liquidity candle previous 15 minutes, and then the prices started to drop from that zone. This is the 4 hour. We can see there is a massive drop here. So let's see how far we can expect on euro dollar. there is a liquidity candle, and then we have seen break of the liquidity candle. And there is a news coming today. There isn't any high impact news, but as tomorrow coming up, very we could see that euro dollar getting very volatile, and that's main goal here is to catch that more potentially along with gold. um, so let's see that how gold is playing out here, and also the euro dollar. So there's the liquidity candle formation here. After the liquidity candle, um, what you can see, 15 minutes, and so if you look at the 1 minute here as well, the market structure is we see that from this level started to break below. We might find a potential trade setup. See, euro looks very volatile today. So if we look at 1 minute chart, okay, so I want to start a trade here on euro dollar. So we definitely need to do a very strict risk management. I will be putting a sell stop on euro dollar, stop loss above all this high at 1.1124 level, and we will be targeting to this level, which is will be more than 221. So basically it will be around 6 to 7 pip stop loss on euro dollar. So at 1.1124, and TP will be at 1.1107. So this is 7 pips stop loss. So I have sold short. That means that pending order, not by market. So I want to readjust my take profit target, and also we'll be discussing in depth about this trade, why we have opened. Let's begin with some potential pip here. And once I got triggered, I will be letting you know how I'm doing. So we just beginning with a potential trade on euro dollar. I still haven't got triggered yet. So wanting to see that euro dollar is breaking below, as we see that there is a multiple liquidity trigger on euro dollar. Still have not got triggered. Okay, got triggered. Euro dollar trade is active. Gonna catch some peep, and then we'll have more upcoming. If you guys are enjoying, make sure you give a thumbs up. Yesterday we had 3 trades. Thank you. Gold is started, gold is you can see that there is a potential liquidity candle formation on gold. While euro dollar started to move. We are active on euro dollar. Very tight trade and expecting it to drop in that direction. So there's a 15 minutes candle closing on euro dollar. So we are short on euro dollar, waiting for the potential breakdown. While gold also, you can see there are some there is a bearish price action on gold. Okay, Euro USD. If we look at the 15 minutes, and this is 5 minutes price action on euro dollar. So if this is forming a head and shoulder on Euro USD, wanting to see that Euro USD is breaking below, and if it is breaking below, then we should be able to see that drop. Looking at the 30 minutes price section. Okay, so the 30 minutes candle on euro dollar is a liquidity candle. Very crucial level on euro USD, this level. We see that there is a liquidity candle broken previously, and we have sold in a level where I'm expecting euro dollar to drop, as tomorrow there is euro news coming. Here, this 5 minutes candle, let's see that how it is doing. Unless big boys are very hungry, we should be able to see that drop, but so there was a bounce, pull, drop again, pull back. We'll see what happened. This is the 1 minute chart. Are you guys ready for a big day potentially? Let's see where it is heading, and in the meantime, I would appreciate if you like the button, smash the like button if you like this stream, and also if you haven't subscribed yet, I would recommend you to do so. Every day there is a lot of content that I'm posting. Definitely will be helpful to you in your growth as a trader. And also, if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. There's a live chat option available. Anthony, welcome. Thank you. Let's go, coach. Welcome. Good day. Press the like button. Because appreciate it. Good day. Hello. Are you on trade? Yes, euro dollar. We are on trade. Sell. So wait. Yep, we are sell on euro dollar, and let's see. It's a very tight trade. As all my trade, I put a very tight stop loss, because with a smaller movement we can capitalize that move. Putting a tighter stop loss is the best way to reduce the risk, but at the same time, too tight might get sometime a bit of issue. So you need to find a balancing point. Here on euro dollar, expecting that this resistance to be respected. Now, if that's respected, then we should be able to see that there should have a potential drop. But if it doesn't, then we'll see what happens. At the moment, this is the 15 minutes price section on euro dollar. So there's a 5 minutes candle closed. I would like to see that euro dollar is being able to break below. It's very choppy at the moment. So it's where it is trying to be heading. So it might try to retest again. So if you have a bigger spread, then I would recommend you to 1 pip gap on it. So from 30 minutes, ultimately might be going back to the resistance again. Sometimes sometimes the market does this just for grabbing more and more liquidity. I'm still on the trade and we'll see what happens. So without breaking the support, so you're on it, but it might not stand. Still on it, but let's see in the last moment if it is still staying ahead. So the last minute candle that you can see on euro dollar, thanks for joining the live session. See what happened now. It might go back to the resistance, or it's coming back again, or it's just going up. It's very unusually after the 50 minutes candle, it just has gone bounce back up. So yeah, it might go back up to the resistance. You might not be able to take the trade to the level yet. Still on it, but I don't know how long we will be able to do that. Sometimes for 1 pip we sometimes get that trade done, but here it might break this high. So you're almost nearing to the edge. So we look at the 1 hour price action and 4 hour. Yeah, it might not hold it. This move, it's a fake drop and then immediately return back. If we're lucky enough, we might see drop back again. Otherwise we might see that it's breaking above, but still holding it. Let's see what happened. The last this red candle might be a catalyst for drop or just trend continuation. Let's let it run by itself. Welcome. Could you explain the broken liquidity candle? Yeah, we'll be discussing. There's a lot to learn based on the liquidity candle. Can we have the liquidity candle for free today? Well, the liquidity candle is currently, if you want to access the liquidity candle, there will be a giveaway at the end of the session that we do every day. But if you want to join right now, you can find link below this video in the description. You can visit the website and then you can go to the scroll down and see at the moment. Also join the free Telegram channel for more information that you can find every day. So, and also wait till the end of the live session for a giveaway with the lifetime joining to the academy as well as the liquidity candle. Every day we give one liquidity candle to the lucky winner. So stay tuned for that to be eligible for that, to enter into the competition. Now at the moment, here what we can see, guys, this is 1 minute chart. We are still with the trade, and we can see the 1 minute price action, while we can see the same price action on gold. Okay, so you can see that gold also forming bearish price action. Euro dollar, expecting it to also remain bearish. 1 minute liquidity candle is still not according to my strategy, but we might see some bearish pressure here as well. I'm just keeping eye on gold as well. We can see that gold might be breaking the support level. Euro dollar has broken back to the upside, but at the same time, it is possible for the market again to break. We'll see that where it is heading. So euro gold is basically forming a very good price action for potential downside. The euro dollar is breaking below, which is we see some downside pressure, expecting it to break to the support again. Let's see if it is, then we might see a complete break. While gold is just in a downtrend with a very strong momentum. So gold has broken the support completely. If we look at the daily chart on gold, we might see certain potential drop in that direction. So if we look at the 1 hour chart on gold, we can see the market currently below this. There is another liquidity zone here on gold as well. So while we see that euro dollar is running, we will be also looking at gold. Okay, gold has got a primary bounce. But with the euro USD again trying to revert back to the upside. So euro dollar might try to break this resistance, and you see the price is struggling to drop, so that means it might try to go up potentially. We have to wait to see either it's breaking below further, or we will be on the trade. We'll see what happens, or it might just keep moving down again. So if you look at the 1 minute, we can see there is a potential pin bar. If we look at gold, gold below this support, so euro USD form a red candle with a long wick at the bottom. Okay, there is another with the potential candle close coming in an hour on euro dollar. So it might ultimately it has another rejection to the upside. We are still on this trade, and now this might be the ultimate fate. Either it's breaking out. This is the last chance that we had to see what happened with the trade. Either we'll see breaking out, or again coming back to the support. Chances for going up is higher at the moment. We'll see what happens, because here is a bullish price action on the 1 minute on euro dollar. It's very weird price action. And gold just had a short-term bounce here. So this short-term bounce has brought gold to the resistance line. We are waiting on euro dollar yet. We see that there is another reaction from the top. Okay, so this might be pretty strong. So you can see there is 1 minute again liquidity grab and then rejection. Okay, here again had a C rejection. So at the moment I'm hopeful that it's gonna drop back to the support. I believe that, guys, you are with the trade. We are almost nearing to the entry, and here I want to see that euro dollar broken the support. That's why, as I mentioned, I keep a tight stop loss because of that advantage. It's easy for the trade to be managed. Okay, now here is almost to the support. We want to catch some peep, even it almost reached that edge. You have to decide either we will be keep running, or we will be closing at entry. See, this is very, very unusual to see again another bounce. Okay, this 1 minute candle on euro dollar, if it is closing as a liquidity candle, okay, I want to see this a long week candle so that we can expect the break of support. Okay, we see there is a potential liquidity candle formation on euro dollar. Yeah, that's good, and we are nearing to the profit area on euro USD. Let me see, because this trade was a little bit of we had initial drawdown. We will not take much longer to close the trade. You might need to close break even to see. Okay, so you see downside. and expecting break of support. We have seen 5 minutes liquidity candle, holding it for further drop. So we have just entered into the profit area on euro dollar. Okay, we are in the profit area, and okay, this trade I won't take very long because okay, we see that break of support in the profit area, euro dollar. Awesome, that's good to see that it's breaking below. That's good, peep. That's good, peep. Nearly to the 1%. That is good, peep. Good job. I'm closing now. I'm closing euro dollar. I have closed profit. Awesome. So I have closed euro dollar profit at the moment. It might go for another liquidity grab or may continue to drop. So gain that. This is the power of hope. Euro dollar, depending on whether you have 7 pip, 8 pip, or 5 pip. I got 7 pip. You guys enjoyed that? Let's keep trading. Yesterday we had 3 trades. Today we have just 1. Let's try to find out more better opportunity and give a feedback, guys. If you enjoyed the trade, if you have secured profit, let me know in the live chat. And yeah, if you enjoyed, also make sure you smash the like button here and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Press that notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. And if you also want to explore more, there are giveaway at the end of the session, 1 liquidity candle where you will be also learning the strategy with 1 lifetime access checkout to the academy at the end of the live session. So make sure you stick till the end of this live session for the giveaway, and there will be 1 person, 1 lucky winner will be taken from this live session. But if you want to explore more right now, also you can explore the website, link below this video in the description. You can visit the website and then click join now button where you can find also more information. Thank you. DXY being bearish, why they all start pumping now? We'll be looking at so you got $150. That's good. Depend on your equity and all of them. Could be $1,000, $150. It's not a matter. The matter is learning and growing. Okay, so if you can trade, it's not the dollar, it's about the strategy, it's about the pip, right? So you can trade on a 100K account or you can trade in a $100 account. Same number of pip is the most important part here. Okay, so you can see that gold had a very strong breakdown again. Gold is coming down with a strong momentum. We can see that there is a bearish price action. With this bearish price action, but you can see that the market started to break below, and we'll be looking at gold as well. Are you guys ready for gold? We have subsecured some pip on euro dollar. Now let's look at gold as well. If we find another opportunity on euro dollar, I will be looking at that as one as well. Now Thanks for joining the live session. Make sure that traders, you give a thumbs up. Okay, so here what you can see on gold, very strong drop in that area, and a clean drop on gold. This is the 1 minute chart. Okay, so the 2494 level is a liquidity zone. We might see ultimately gold may try to draw back to that level. Thank you. Are you guys ready for another one? Have you digested the first one? Thank you. Come on, 70. So here. Okay. Now we'll see what happened next on gold. We see that gold is has broken the support, and potentially I think we're gonna see potential 2494 level. I'm waiting for a potential entry opportunity. Here we can see a complete break of support. As with the progression of the invoice session, we might see good movement on gold as well. Euros keep pushing down. I'll be explaining the trade also, why I have sold euro dollar from such a crucial level. So updating the journal here. Okay, it's keep pushing down. So you guys ready for big one? AUD CAD. Would someone buy gold now? I wouldn't be supportive to it because it's strongly downtrend. What is dropping is likely to drop. That's the law of trading. So selling from buying from a strongly falling market is not a good idea at all. But you know, I can't advise. I'm not a financial advisor anyway. But I would say that, you know, it's a falling market, so it's always a good idea to wait for price action confirmation. See gold selling. Okay, so buy gold is good idea now. Now must be a policy committee. So yeah, we will be looking at also Gbpusd. We saw that a little bit choppy, so we haven't got anything yet on that. And I think this market at the moment not a good market to trade at all. Very choppy, so I will leave it today. Gbpusd. Today I want to focus on gold and euro dollar. Okay, so that's you know, being flexible in terms of choosing instrument is also very important. Some might think that, okay, I will trade only one pair. That will give me always understanding how the market might move. That's partially true. Yeah, if you trade one instrument, you know, you can have better understanding from multi-time frame. Sometimes it can be the other way around as well, because what I have seen that, let's say, if you constantly look at one pair all the time, you might see a trade which is not there. That can happen. So even at the same time, looking at too many pairs might make you too much confusing. So I prefer middle way. Okay, so not too many pairs, not too few pairs, in between. So then we have understanding of the pairs, and at the same time we have more choice, because you'll see that some instrument will have a very nice looking trend, some instrument may not have. Some instrument may go for, you know, sideways for extended period of time. Then we can jump on to the other pairs to see which one is trending. And if you look at the news calendar, what you can see, look at the Forex factory calendar, where if you look at the calendar, what you can see that here is tomorrow coming euro, which made euro dollar very volatile. And also I would like to ask you that opinion. So do you trade one pair? But as I mentioned, trading one pair completely fine, and trading multiple pairs also completely fine. Depends to suit your trading style and how you trade. So let me ask you by a poll to see what you guys and girls are thinking. So what's your suggestion? Let me see what everyone thinks. So I have posted a poll. Let us know what's your view on this point, and then that will definitely help. So in 12:15 will be monetary policy committee. Need trade Gbpusd buy or sell, bro? Okay, so because we see the downside on euro dollar, they normally move almost in the similar way. So British pound US dollar also we can see that bearish price action potentially. But as I mentioned, I'm not in any trade on Gbpusd, but we see the lower time frame price action is bearish. It is possible for Gbpusd to break below this 20 MA or retest the 20 MA, or even coming back to this support of this level on British pound US dollar. with the news it might get a spike and then to drop is possible. So I wouldn't enter at the moment. We see there is a liquidity candle formation. So if you are not sure about the liquidity candle, this is also one of my favorite tool that I use. You can see there's one here, there's one here. It's playing out well. There's 15 minutes liquidity candle here also. So liquidity candle is one of my favorite trading strategy. Also, I teach in the academy. We have both kind of strategy: liquidity candle day trading as well as the scalping, and also we we have that in indicator format that you can see. If you are our member, you can get access to that indicator, and to be a member we have few options currently. If you want to be on the academy, you just need to be you can visit the website, or you can join the free Telegram channel for more information. So I can give you the free Telegram channel link in the live chat. Here I do share many of my regular education in the free Telegram channel. Thank you. Okay, now going back to gold, we can see that there is a drop on gold, very strong drop. The market trend is down. So quite a few liquidity candle formation on in that area. 1 minute chart. So you see a very good volatility on gold at the moment. And euro dollar finally has broken that support. Keep pushing down. Yeah, euro dollar may continue to drop. Thank you. Okay, so yeah, we can see that euro dollar keep pushing down. Gold is after from the psychological level, it's trying to bounce. So 1 minute. Third one today. Let it go. Let's see what we can do next. Thank you. Just got a lot of pairs, 16 pairs, and oil, metal, stocks, S&P 500. Now that's very good. Good pool, by the way. Thank you very much. Appreciate. Patrick, welcome. Thank you. To SMC versus ICT versus price action. Yeah, be curious. That's good. Always being curious is very important as a trader. And according to research, those who are highly curious, that intellectual curiosity will make you a better trader. Because when you ask a lot of questions, start to think very critically. Critical thinking is very important in terms of being a trader, and then you started to become better trader. Give us the way forward for gold. I see the way backward. Anyway, let's see where it is heading. I think it's gonna we see that it's breaking down from the trend, and ultimately we could see 2484 level retest potentially. The 4-hour candle close, you can see it's just pushing down. At the moment, 2494 level is possible with this candle, but I would like to, because we had a secured one trade, you can see this is a massive drop. I want to wait to see a clean liquidity candle formation, and then we can look for entry opportunity. Good day, coach. Why do you close your profit quickly? Are you a scalper? Well, the reason I have closed this profit early is because it has given us a hard time. So normally this is what I do. If I see that if any trade goes nearly to the stop loss, that trade I normally do not run very longer. The reason is because the market has almost near to the 1 pip to the stop loss. Many people also close this kind of trade at break even. So I had primarily thought to close at break even, but we saw a big drop which has given us some pip. We could hold it, but that's why. But if it straight drop from where we have entered, yeah, we could hold it for big. Okay, now here on gold, it's approaching that 2494 level. Yeah, absolutely. I can look at euro dollar entry. Euro dollar entry is based on the liquidity candle. Looking at the 30 minutes chart, you can see where the liquidity candle has formed. So you can see that this is exactly that liquidity candle. This is the liquidity candle that we have traded, and that's, you can see in this whole move there is only one liquidity candle, and that one trade I have taken. Especially when the market trend is a stronger, liquidity candle works very, very well, because this is the smart money way the market trades. If you guys not sure about liquidity candle, stick to the channel. This is one of my best trading strategy. Currently also I'm teaching the VIP in the VIP group as well. You can consider joining if you want to take it trading to the next level. Also you can look at that. And Also, don't miss out to click the free Telegram channel link so that you can also have more free education, access to many education that I'm posting every single day, trade ideas as well as education. So now let's look at, now this is liquidity candle, the strategy full explanation. It's on your strategy, so you need to go through it a little bit, the rules, the how the 10 and 20 m is being interacted, how many candle you should see before you look for that entry. And if you have access to this indicator, liquidity candle indicator, then this is gold euro dollar 30 minutes chart. You can check it out and then you can cross check with the rules that you have learned. If not, don't worry, ask more and more questions and you will start to learn more and more. Okay, now we'll see that what's happening with the gold. And in 6 minutes, we might see a little more volatility because there will be a movement potentially. So there isn't any high impact news, but you see some short-term bounce here. We look at the daily here. From the daily 10 EMA, we might see some short-term bounce here. Thank you for joining the live session. So local move that we expecting it to bounce back to the resistance and then to drop in that direction. You guys with me? And in the meantime, I see that likes is still almost half the view. We have secured one trade. Let's look for the next one. Before that, I would appreciate if you smash the like button to 100 and also let us know which one you are looking at as well. Give us an entry on gold. Okay, so patience, guys, is the key. Okay, patience is the key. Even if you don't have a trade, still be patient. That's where the money comes in. There will be a time when you can't resist a trade. That's where you'll be entering. Even if you miss. You know, the best traders who misses 5 trades, 10 trades, take one. They make money in the market. Let yourself miss a lot of trade. Be comfortable in missing trades and then take one trade. That's where you will be making money. Sometimes one trade will give you the payout for the whole week. But still, we open a lot of trade, isn't it? Yesterday we opened 3. Today we opened so far 1. Let's look for another one. But at the same time, if there isn't, there isn't. If there is, there is. And we might find 3-4 trades in a row, or maybe not even one trade in the whole entire day. That's how trading is. Leave it to the unknown, uncertainty. Okay, on gold, we can see that the market is in a level where almost nearing to this liquidity zone. So if you look at the 5-minute chart, about the GJ has a primary rejection, not very good price action yet to me. Instead, we see that gold is trending nicely, broken the support level. Euro dollar also trending nicely. Euro dollar also, most likely we will see that 1105 level is broken. If we look at gold, the similar way, but we had a head trade on euro dollar. Also, I would like to see another trade on gold. If we find that, you guys are ready for this one. Thank you. So in gold, I'm waiting. There is a this is a 15 minutes liquidity candle here, which you have seen on gold, and from that zone, that was a massive drop. At the moment, the price in a level that ultimately, as I mentioned, it's dropping to the 24.94 level, nearly there, and okay, it has broken that level, right? So now we look at the 1 minute. And the daily. So the price dropped that much far that ultimately we could see 24.85 level to come down. And from the weekly, it's in a very strong downtrend at the moment. So we have seen a very good volatility at the moment. Are you guys ready? I think gold will sell this week, okay? What is the logic behind those liquidity candles? There's no logic behind the liquidity candle. You know, Einstein said that logic will take you from A to B, but what else? So in the liquidity candle, if you look at the liquidity candle, there is a smart money concept, okay? Now, when you look at the candlestick pattern, what you can see that there is always a component of smart money trading volume. This is what the primary focus with the liquidity candle. Now, for example, on what basis we consider the liquidity candle? Based on when the price action form after we see that liquidity grabbed. How do you know that liquidity is grabbed? That's a very important question, right? Asking question is very important. Then you need to apply that common sense, that what does it mean to grab liquidity. So if you look at, let's assume that this market here, this is 30 minutes price action, right? So now in this market, what do you see? That every red candle is forming series of lower high. Now in this kind of market, in this situation, you might see that traders trade by putting trailing stop loss. There's one way. Another way is, every time the price is coming down, there are more and more sell pressure coming in the market. So whenever the market move back to the upside, where there is always a big volume come, that means that those who are selling, when the buyers buy, those sell order turn into, let's say, stop loss. This is the best way to understand it. So above these candles there are stop loss, and when these stop loss are hit, those seller turn into a buyer, and when they turn into buyer, big boys sell the market and the liquidity candle form. Now this is a complex thinking, right? So you need to think very complex. So when sellers are selling and then going up, stop loss is being hit, liquidity candle form. By thinking all of that, the trade will go, right? That's why after learning the rules of the strategy, I also use this indicator to help me to find out when we see that liquidity candle, especially in a strongly trending market, is the best tool that I use to find price action, to find the trade. So this is the primary logic or the reason behind the liquidity candle. So if you want to know more how the liquidity candle works, also you can refer to some of the videos that I have shared with you with the liquidity candle indicator. You can watch that, where also I have discussed about what time frame and in what situation you should be using the liquidity candle. I hope that makes sense to you. And if you like this, make sure you like. If you enjoy this, make sure you subscribe. If you're finding value, then don't miss out to check out all the links in the description, where also there is a free trading course from A to Z. I think I have to give it on the live chat. So where also you will be able to learn the foundation course of how to trade the market. So sharing with you. So in the foundation trading course, traders, you can learn how to start trading. This is a very old course, but there is a lot to it. I can share it in the live chat. It's on Vimeo. You can just click and then watch that. Definitely will be helpful to you. You can directly access it. Okay, so a free trading course from A to Z just to help the traders who are in the market. Make sure you give a thumbs up, and by liking it also you're helping the channel a lot. So now I'm waiting for gold for an entry on the higher time frame price action confirmation. Along with we see euro dollar ultimately drop back to that support level. GBP had a bounce. So GBPUSD, as I mentioned in the past, so it started to drop, and we might see that it's dropping back to that support level again. Okay, so British pound US dollar, we can see that dropping down. Okay, so you can see gold, you can see it has broken that support completely, which is pretty strong. It's almost there.
Thank you and good night.
Thank you. But it's too early, there are more trades here. So early. I'm late today, and you take any trade? Yeah, we had secured euro dollar. You already made a lot of money. Yeah, thank you. How long you were trading? It's now 1.5 an hour. Now now is downtrend, but how to identify where fan we entered short? So what do you mean? Thank you. Shall we buy gold now? I don't know. What books you were reading before trading? What books were reading before trading? That's a good question. I can't remember. A lot of books that I have read before trading. If you guys can remember, you can share some of the books. Thank you. Trading in the Zone is the only hard copy, which is the best book that I have ever. You can see my background there. There's only few. I have a bunch of book on my shelf. So trading in trading, basically books will help you to develop especially your trading psychology, because technical aspect mostly that I found learning from courses, and also from, because it's a visual learning. See, if you go through the courses that you can, because books will not give you the dynamic experience as a trader. Book will give you static experience. Static experience is more of imaginative. So that's why I found more helpful to develop a very strong trading psychology, which is very important to understand how other traders are doing. But for being a very effective technical or a fundamental trader, it is important that you always combine all of them trading psychology, technical, fundamental, as well as the strategy. And sometime probably discipline is very important. So how do you build discipline? Repeating the same thing every day is also a part of discipline. Sometimes breaking it. Waking up, being, like setting a goal and then working on it is very important. So it's all of them combining together, becoming a good, profitable trader, along with being patient and looking for the best trade possible in the market. So here we can see that from the intraday perspective. And again, looking at daily to see actually what gold daily chart is doing here. I think that before the monthly close, this is a potential breakdown, which is basically coming back to the monthly support. And this drop on gold is, you can see from here, chances that we might see it before the monthly close to break this level and then to return back towards the upside. So this is the 1 minute chart on gold. We can see there is a 1 minute rejection. From 30 minutes also you see that there's a rejection. Looking at the 5 minutes, and yeah, this local bounce is important to see. I switch time frame a lot. I think you guys find it a bit hard to follow along. The reason is it becomes easy to understand the overall situation in the market, because if I stick to one time frame always, sometime it might just give me some misinformation. So that's why it helps to look at when you look at the multiple time frame, it becomes much easier to understand how the market is doing. Thank you, psychology. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, what is happening in the zone? What is the logic behind those zone? So you are looking for logic for everything. Coach, what's trading book you have read and which one um, was the best? Okay. Some of the books you can see on the background, that are some of the best book you can find. There are many. If you want to read book, mostly I used to listen also a lot of audiobooks, because I traveled a lot, so it becomes much easy when I'm going for a long drive. Reading, listening to books sometimes helps to spend time. It depends on how you want to learn. Now let's see, after break of this low, how gold is doing. While we can see that euro dollar, after break of the support, trying to bounce back up, and 1 minute chart, we can see there is a bounce. That bounce might lead the price to go back to the resistance. It's missing some music. Okay. Let's wait for the entry on gold from this support. Ultimately, it's bouncing back to the resistance. Okay, so this is the 1 hour resistance line. Okay, this move on gold currently heading to the upside, expecting it to go back to that level and then to drop again. We still have some time to trade and to go for another one as soon as you will find it. I'll be quickly looking at, because there's a 4 hour candle close coming. I would like to look at all the pairs to see actually how the market is playing out. Sometimes it helps to understand potential movement in the market. We see Eurogp, that's a big drop. Gbp USD may drop further, so we see that there is a good move on GBPUSD euro dollar. Okay, so euro dollar has gone back up, so which is basically another opportunity most likely for another drop. GBPJPY is very choppy. Dollar yen from the support. Dollar yen is trying to bounce from the support, and so there is a fair value gap here on dollar yen. I think we might see potential bounce and then to return in that direction. Okay, looking at gold again to see potential entry. Thank you. And this is the 1 minute chart. You can see that, guys. So after reaching that resistance, it's getting a rejection here. With the 15 minutes and the 30 minutes, 1 hour. So if the market goes back to the 1 hour resistance here, we might look for potential selling opportunity. And if we look at the calendar, what we can see, okay, and looking at the calendar, so euro, we have secured that trade on euro. Tomorrow gonna be very volatile day for euro, and also coming up preliminary GDP as well as the unemployment claims, which is tomorrow, and we'll be covering that in this full in this live session, including CPI also, which will be on Friday, CPI. So tomorrow is a big day for dollar and euro. So euro dollar and gold will be very volatile, and we can see that euro dollar that is being reflected on euro dollar. It's getting very volatile, and I think that this market may try to drop further, even potentially, because this is the monthly close. You can see coming to the support. So with that said, I'll keep eye on trading in all of them, and gold also I'm keeping eye. And let's prepare for another trade. As soon as we will find that, I'll be also entering into that. I do share all my trade in the VIP group, where all the members in trading in Forex Trading Wizard Academy as well. If you guys want to explore, you can find link below this video. And it's time to give away the liquidity candle. Are you guys ready for the giveaway? I've shared with you the free Telegram channel link before we start the giveaway. Also, the broker that I am trading, also have shared with you the link in the live chat. They're offering 50% deposit bonus, 50% bonus, and depending on your geography and location. You can find link below this video, and also have shared with you the live chat. You can click that link and start trading. And let's start the giveaway section, and we will be doing the same, the one that liquidity, the keyword. So for those who want to be entered into the competition, you can write that keyword, that liquidity, and that's where you'll be. We'll take at least 20 eligible users to enter into the competition, and once you write down, you'll be in the competition, and then you'll be rolling it up. You can write liquidity to be entered into the competition of the liquidity candle. So gold is almost to the 1 hour resistance. We might find an entry on gold very soon. Let's see. You can write liquidity to be entered into the competition. That's awesome to see that. We have seen 22 members, so we'll be taking more as soon as we find. Thank you for joining the live session, guys. Don't miss out to join the free Telegram channel link below this video. $25 members. Let's take it to 30 members. And then we'll be rolling it up. So you see 28 members, 29, you can write liquidity to be eligible for the entry to the academy to get access to the lifetime access, 29. So we'll be rolling it up very soon. Are you guys ready for that to happen? So 30 members, you still can write to be enter into the competition. There's only one time you need to write. Okay, so I'm rolling it up. Ready? 33 members. Mohanat, you are already there. So You are already in the academy. I will be re-roll it, but anyway, congratulations for being winner. But I will be re-roll it because you are already in the academy, so you still have that anytime. So Fedos. Fedos are the liquidity candle winner for today. Congratulations, Fedos. So what you need to do is visit the website, link below this video. Use the contact us page where you can send your email address to send you access to the academy as well as the liquidity candle. So with that said, and absolutely appreciate your support to the channel, guys and girls. It was a great session again. I will be coming on live again very soon. Until that, stay well, stay happy. Just letting you know, those, you can visit the website www.forextradingwizard.com. You can find link below this video. Once you are on the website, scroll down below, find contact us page, give your email address to send you back the liquidity candle as well as the lifetime access to the academy. So with that said, thank you, and keep that profit in your account for tomorrow to start again another one later today. I still be trading the whole New York session because I trade also the New York session. So for those who are on the academy, also you'll get some updates. So keep eye on the group. So with that said, thank you, and I'll see you soon.